All right, we have time signatures now. This is important because this is gonna help us understand how to put the chords together. We've been learning so many chords. Now, how do we glue them together into a sound that sounds good? We can use time signatures, which really is just a fancy word of saying how many beats are we gonna repeat it again and again. In classical music, it's described as 4/4, 3/4, or 2/4. Don't worry about the bottom four. We're gonna talk about the top number. Let's take our C and our G. Let's do 4/4. So 4 beats each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a very steady choice for chord progression. Now, if you want to do 2/4, it might give a little bit more of a quicker, faster vibe. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's 2/4, or 2 beats each, 2 beats per measure. Now we could have a song in 4/4 and split the 4 into 2. So we could even be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, but we're still counting to 4 again and again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2/4 time is just like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Where basically the time signature is really just, if I'm counting out loud, I'm counting in measures of 4 or 2, basically. Now, 3/4 time, or where we're counting to 3 again and again, that is a waltz. It sounds like waltzing. If you're a dancer, you might know that as balance, balance, or maybe ballroom. It's down, up, down, up, but there's something that's dancey and comforting about a waltz sound, or a 3/4. So if you're writing something that's like super comforting, like 3/4 or 3 beats per chord is a really nice choice. So this is what it sounds like. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you could stay on the same chord for multiple counts, you know. Just because you don't change chords, it doesn't mean you count to 6 all of a sudden. You don't want to be like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're still counting in multiples of 3 for our 3/4 time. I'm going to give you an interesting homework, or we could say assignment if we don't like the word homework. Home fun. I don't know. I want you to create your own chord progression in 4/4 time, in 2/4 time, and 3/4 time. So here's an example of 4/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I just realized I'm playing my left-hand root note. Don't worry about that. I just kind of do that. So unless you want to try it, you totally can. All I'm doing is I'm holding down my root note. So when I'm playing my F, I'm holding down my F. G, A. There's the 2 cents. Now again, this is just me, but I want you to create your own pattern of chords and just play around with it. Some may not sound good, so find a pattern that sounds good together between your major and minor chords. You could even throw in black keys if you're feeling crazy. You could throw in like a black key chord, F sharp minor or something. You could throw in a B major if you're feeling really confident. But any chord pattern with 4 beats per chord, 2 beats per chord, and 3 beats per chord. So here's an example of the 3 beats per chord. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. That sounds weird, but okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there is your mini lesson on time signatures and how you could change the beats of your chords to create cool sounding chord progression patterns for your music. All right. Have a good week.
Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, won't you like it and subscribe for me?